Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nubia Jahin. If you guys are new here, welcome to my channel. So as the title of this video, you guys are going to see me reviewing what I received in my Boxycharm this month. I have to say, receiving my box is becoming like a holiday now. Ever since I reviewed for the very first time my first Boxycharm, I'm starting to get very excited. So I am looking into my Boxycharm today and I received 5 products, which I paid $25 for. I have my little pamphlet here, which will tell me the products that I received. The theme of this month is Adore. You know, it comes back and relates back to Valentine's Day. I also created a Valentine's inspired makeup look. I'm gonna link it down below. I'm looking at my box and I see a lot of skincare. Today we're gonna go over what I received and their retail prices. Okay, I do want to say that these are things that I can't review all in one sitting because I do have skincare here, and skincare I do like to try out for a couple of weeks to see if it's something that will improve the texture of my face, my complexion. You know, it's just things like that that I like to go over, and it's the only way that I'm gonna be able to give you an honest review. So the first thing that I see and calls my attention is the facial radiance pads. It helps to exfoliate, to tone, and to brighten up your face. The brand is First Aid Beauty. First Aid Beauty. This is an alcohol-free product. Okay, that is good. You know that alcohol tends to dry your face more than usual, so you know you're gonna look for something that is more hydrating. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the product. Love this little seal that products come with. You know, it just keeps everything very sanitary. And these are the pads. So these look like your I don't want to touch them. I don't want to touch them all, but I will take out the one that I'm gonna use here on camera. It is very saturated with product. I like that. It says to wipe the pad across the face, the neck, once or twice after cleansing. Okay, my face is clean. The only part of my face that I have makeup is eyes and lips, but other than that, everything else is clean. And yeah, it says to avoid contact with eyes. It is a daily treatment pad that contains the right amount of lactic glycolic acids to safely and effectively exfoliate, tone, and brighten all skin types. As the regular use of these pads will smooth the skin texture, providing the perfect canvas for flawless makeup application. Okay, so that is good. Based on what I'm reading is that I could use this and after I could apply makeup, which is going to be good because I have some products here that I need to try out, and I'm gonna have to apply makeup on the face. I'm gonna go ahead and start wiping. Okay, it feels like just a wet pad. I want to see if it gives me like a tingly sensation or, you know, anything. I just want to see how this feels. No, it doesn't have a strong smell. It actually doesn't smell like anything at all. It doesn't smell like chemical. I'm gonna let this dry up on my face. I want to see how it feels in a couple of minutes. I want to see if my face feels soft. I'm gonna see. Okay guys, so my face is now completely dry. My face does feel very hydrated and in a way tacky. You know, this could be good for when applying my foundation, which I will be in this video. Okay, so the retail price for this product is $16. Nice. So the next product that I have here is from the brand Kate Somerville. These are biomimicking peptides. I've heard about peptides and I heard that they are good for the skin. It helps to firm and smooth out. Okay, yeah, smooth and to firm. That's awesome. It says that it has 5 very important VIPs, peptides that work together to visibly refresh and renew skin as it firms, smooths, and hydrates. Okay, this I feel like I'm gonna love. So this is not something that I could try out on camera. Like I said, I need a couple weeks to see if this is something that I will continue to use, to see what it does to my face, if it improves it. This is the packaging. So it does come with a dropper. It says to use in the AM and PM. Apply 1 or 2 drops to cleanse face. You could use it alone or you could use it with another moisturizer. I think that I would add this with my moisturizer. I'm a fan of hydrated skin, so your girl's very dry, so you know, I need it. I need the extra help. I just peeped the retail price, and you guys are not gonna believe it, but this product is retailed for $98. That is awesome. That is awesome because I paid $25 for this box, and I just received the product for $98. It can't get better than that. It cannot get better than that. So the next product on the list is Isle of Paradise. This is actually very cool. It's soft tanning drops. This is very, very cool. It says to add 1 to 12 drops. I think 12 is a little excessive, but it does say that depending on the amount of drops you add to your moisturizer is how deeper the tan will be. The more drops, the deeper tan. Make sure to wash your hands after application. If not, your hands are going to get orange. So then you apply with your favorite moisturizer. You mix it together and then you apply it to the skin. So again, this is something that I can't try on for you guys. But it is a product that I use and I continue to enjoy it. And I somehow managed to put it into my routine. I will mention it in other videos and let you guys know and refer you guys back to this video. So the retail for this baby right here is $29. This is awesome. I am excited for this bad boy here. This is the product. This is the packaging it came in. I get 3 sponges. It's a set. It is from Luxy. Complete sponge set. It's to bake, to contour, and for detail. So I'm gonna apply my foundation with it and my concealer with these products. So this is the packaging. This is what it comes in. Okay. I'm gonna apply my foundation with them. So I'm gonna feel the texture of these sponges, and this is the bake. So this is the sponge you would bake with. They're a little dense. That could be good when applying your foundation. They are all very dense. They're all very dense. I'm just gonna pick a sponge and apply my foundation with it. So normally I would wet my beauty blender, so if I'm gonna do the same thing. So my sponge is wet now, and now I'm gonna apply my foundation. I'm just gonna apply a small amount of foundation. I do have to stop and explain something to you guys. I'm having trouble with this. I am having trouble with the sponge. I do have one of these sponges with this flat area, and that is the area that I normally use to do my face. But I'm noticing that it's not going on how I would normally like it. I mean, it's not bad. Maybe it's just too tense. I feel like the product is just sitting on the top. I do have to say that your product will go a long way, because as it is sitting on the top, it is applying more, so it's not soaking up the product. I don't feel like I have an even application. I see a lot of streaks. I don't like it. I don't like it. Okay, I will not normally have my sponge this dirty ever, but I did have a little bit of trouble applying on my foundation, so now you guys know. That's just my opinion. Hopefully, if you guys receive this in your Boxycharm, it is a product that will work out for you guys. It's not doing me justice now. Now I am gonna apply some concealer. Here we have it. Okay, now with the detailed brush, I I keep calling them brushes. Now with the detailed sponge, I'm gonna go in and blend out that. Not bad, not bad. I do have to say that the sponges aren't my favorite, but I'm gonna try and be as honest as possible with you guys. My skin right now is going through a phase where it's asking me and begging me for hydration and moisturizer. No matter how much I'm giving it, I'm still having a lot of dry spots in my face, so I'm not gonna bake today. I'm not even gonna add anything else onto the face. I just wanted to try out the product. Before I forget, this product is retailed for $40. I'm not sure if I would give $40 for this, but I do. It does have an upside. You are receiving 3 sponges, all for different uses, you know. Beauty blender ranges from like $20, $19, $20, so it is okay. And the last product that we have is from the brand Queen. It is a matte liquid lipstick. This is the packaging. I love the color that I received. I love it, I love it, I love it. I love these vampy colors. This is giving me like Kylie Beauty vibes, you know. Okay, so the only thing that I have on the lips right now is a moisturizer. I would usually apply a balm before I ever apply a matte liquid lipstick, and that is because my lips are too dry and I need something to help it out. So I'm gonna use it the way that I like to use it, the way that I would normally use it. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this is how I use it. So it is a full coverage matte liquid lipstick. It says it's 12 hours performance. I love the color. Guys, do not judge me on the way that I applied this liquid lipstick. I had a little bit of trouble applying it. It has nothing to do with the applicator. The applicator is actually very nice. I like it. It's very precise. It's just that I'm not having the best day. But I love it. To me, I love a red lipstick, so this is awesome. Thank you, Boxycharm, for sending me that color. I'm pretty sure you guys had other colors that you guys sent out also. I'm glad I received my red, my vampy red. If you guys are interested, this is in the color Monroe. That is a beautiful name. I love it. I love it. So guys, this matte liquid lip satin is retailed for $17. That is awesome. Guys, I do have to say that I did enjoy this month's Boxycharm. All products are awesome in their own way. The retail prices on this really wins me. You're just paying $25 for this box and you're receiving 5 full-size beauty products. Can't beat that. You really can't beat that. Guys, thank you so much for joining me on reviewing this month's Boxycharm. Oh, I almost forgot. There's one thing that I want to do before closing up this video, and is add up all these retail prices. Guys, the value of this month's box is $200 in total. That is awesome, and that is something that I haven't heard of anything that could beat that. Well guys, we have made it to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said in my previous video, and I'm gonna say it again, is that I'm gonna continue to review my Boxycharms monthly. I want to see what type of brands, what type of products these boxes bring. I think there's like 3 different versions of this box, but I love what I got. I can't complain. I received $200 worth of product for $25. That's pretty awesome. I'm excited because I received skincare. I'm big on skincare, so that is awesome to me. I received a product that was $98 alone. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Click that notification bell to get alerts to when I post new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys are having a wonderful February, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.